I'm now taking off the exhaust valves. This is how you take them off. You got to put a socket on the bottom to hold the valve up, and you just get this. I just rented this from AutoZone. Once you got them squeezed like that, then you take off these little buddies right there, and it comes up. You just grab these, put them somewhere safe. Turn this around. Out comes your valve. Whoa, that kind of rhymed. Nice. Got the valves out. Gonna go take them to my neighbor's right now. He's got a drill press he's gonna let me use. And I want to clean these up and back face them. You can see just how dirty these valves are. They have a lot of carbon buildup on them. So I'm just gonna put them on the wire wheel right here and clean them off. I don't know if I can get a good angle here. You can see I've got all the valves cleaned up now. I've actually marked them all, and I also put these on the drill press and got a Scotch-Brite pad and cleaned them up here. But now they're all nice and clean. Right now what I'm about to do is use some of the valve grinding compound, hook this up to a electric drill and start spinning. Alright, I've got the heads cleaned up, both of them. I just, what is it? I just used the Scotch-Brite pad and brake cleaner, just some soapy water. Just cleaned it up. It didn't take that long. It took me maybe like 30 minutes for each side. Alright, I've put a bit of the valve grinding compound on there. I'm just gonna drop this in. Okay. I'm gonna hook up the drill to the other side and start spinning it around. Alright, so you can see this is one of the exhaust valves. Here, let's focus in on there. This is one of the exhaust valves that I haven't done the the grinding to. You can see all right here it's dark and everything. It's gross. And then on this one, the one that I just did, it's nice and clean. And same with the valve, nice and clean. Right. This whole side's been done. I'm doing the exhaust port on this side. Still got to do the intake, that exhaust, and this intake, but I'll let you see them just to see how they were before. I'm still gonna go over this one more time. All right, I've got all the the valves, the valve seats, polished. You can see all this, just the black stuff around there, that's not actually in the seat, so that's fine. That's just a little bit of carbon that's left over that I wasn't able to clean. I'll see if I can maybe get that out. I've got like a little brush and some gasoline, see if that'll take it off. But the seat, you can see right there and there, that's nice and smooth now. And same with the valves. You can see they're all nice and smooth. But the next thing I want to do, let's flip this back over. So in here, the metal was kind of sticking out a little bit right there. So I just got the Dremel and I grinded it down a little bit. And same with that side. And I'm also gonna, it's really sharp right there, and so that'll mess up with the fuel atomization. So I'm just gonna round that off right there so it flows better. Alright, another thing I want to be grinding down is right here where the valve comes through. Right there it's nice and smooth, unlike this one where it's hard, where it's a really sharp edge right there. That messes up with the fuel atomization. So I'm just grinding that down to make it smooth like that, so the air fuel mixture just flows right over it. Alright, finished porting this head. Ground off all around there, make it smooth. Same with all these, just made sure that they're all smooth going in. There was no big bumps getting in the way of the mixture. Same with up here. Made sure it was smooth all through here. And I'm thinking I might put like some JB weld in there, because that doesn't go to anything, it's just blocked off. But yeah, I already got all the metal shavings out. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next head. Alright, this set of heads didn't actually take so long as the other one, but actually right in there you can see I was grinding, because there was I've got this big chunk of metal was in there along with another piece that this piece actually came out as soon as I started drilling or grinding, but that one didn't. So I tried to smooth it out as best as I could. I'll probably try to smooth it out a little more, but the rest of them are good. They're all smooth, and I've still got to do the seats on these for the valves. Alright, I've done the valve seats now on these, and I actually went through with a little bit of a polish just to clean them up a bit more. Now I want to clean out all the compound and stuff with my gasoline bottle, filled sriracha bottle. Just spray gasoline on there, brush it with the toothbrush. Mr. Gaddy's Pizza. Yeah, right now I'm taking off these old exhaust packings. This one's like turned into like dust. So there was no way this was keeping the exhaust gases in here well. So I'll be replacing these. I've got the car came with some blue ones. Yeah, these are just like dust. Alright, I've got the new exhaust packings on this one, so this head's done for now until I can get some. I was gonna go buy some motor oil so I can lubricate the valves and put them back in instead of using like WD-40. I've still got to get the exhaust packings on this one. I have 2 more new ones that came with the car, but I need one more, so I need to go find one at an auto parts store. But yeah, for now the heads are done, and right now this is one of the jugs, just like this, the cylinder. I accidentally pulled this off, but that'll give me I'm just gonna check all of them with one of the piston rings. I'm just gonna drop it in there, put it in like 3 spots and measure the gap right there to see if it needs to be machined or not. Okay, so right at the top right here, the ring gap is about 26 thousandths. I'm gonna go ahead and move it to the bottom and measure it there too. Alright, the bottom is measuring the same, so that's good. I'll go ahead and do the middle. Alright, and the middle is measuring at 28 thousandths. Where is it? Let's see if this will slide in there right. It might be a little less than that, which is alright too. I am noticing right there, that little spot right there, I can actually catch my fingernail on that, so these might need to be machined. Some of these jugs that I've been taking off, I've already got one side completely off, just got them covered in bags, but this is cylinder 2, and some of these, here, you can see, you know, the air's supposed to flow through those fins right there, and on some of them, see it's blocked because the casting, just, so I'm knocking this metal out of here. I've already done it on this side. It's not coming out completely perfect. You can still see the little bumps and stuff, but I mean, it's gonna be better than it being completely blocked off like that. So I'm just putting my pick in there and hitting it with a hammer. Alright, I've got all the jugs cleaned up, and I've took all the any of them that had the castings still in the middle right there, knocked them all out. mark them all to know which cylinder they're for, and check them all with the with the piston ring, and I measured the gap, and I mean they're all the same, so that's good. I'm sure someone has done work to these before, so I'm pretty sure they're ready to go back in once I've got everything ready for them. I'll just probably give them another good cleaning, and put the, what is it, the gaskets, the, yeah, the 1 second, cylinder head gasket, the rings that went around here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Next video I will be cleaning up the piston heads and just cleaning up anywhere around where the head of the intake head sits onto the block, so it'll get a good seal. Alright, yep, see you next time.